Japan.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Reina's channel. If you're planning a trip to Japan, a little research ahead of time can make your experience so much better. Trust me. Today's video is all about bonsai. Those tiny, beautifully shaped trees you often see in peaceful Japanese gardens or traditional spaces. You've probably heard the word bonsai in English too, right? Well, it's more than just a cute little tree. It's actually a deep part of Japanese culture, an art form that reflects how Japanese people see nature, beauty, and even life itself. So in this video, I really want you to get what bonsai is all about. And don't go anywhere, because in the second half, I'm sharing my top 5 favorite bonsai that I've seen here in Japan. Alright, let's dive into the beautiful, peaceful world of bonsai.
Japan.
What is bonsai? The art of capturing nature in a pot. When visiting Japan, you might come across beautifully shaped miniature trees in traditional inns or gardens. These are called bonsai. Bonsai is a unique Japanese horticultural art form, where trees are carefully grown in small pots over many years, shaped to represent natural landscapes in miniature. Techniques like pruning and wiring are used to give the trees an elegant, aged appearance. A well-cultivated bonsai becomes a living work of art, blending the power of nature with human craftsmanship. And it continues to fascinate people all over the world. A long history and deep philosophy, harmony with nature and the Japanese spirit. Bonsai has its roots in Bonsai, a traditional Chinese landscape art that came to Japan during the Nara period. Over time, it evolved into a distinctly Japanese art form, shaped by local culture and climate. During the Muromachi period, bonsai became closely associated with Zen Buddhism, serving as a means of meditation and spiritual discipline. By the Edo period, bonsai had spread among common people, and was often displayed on porches and in home gardens. Deeply tied to Japanese aesthetics such as wabi-sabi, and an appreciation of impermanence, bonsai invites us to see the changing seasons and respect for nature in a single tree. Bonsai across the world, a global art with historic masterpieces. Today, bonsai is loved not only in Japan but across the globe. Large bonsai clubs and exhibitions can be found in countries like the US, Italy, and China. The World Bonsai Convention, held every few years, brings together enthusiasts from all over the world. One of the most famous bonsai is a Goyo Matsu, called Sandai Shogun, said to have belonged to Tokugawa Iemitsu, Japan's third shogun, and now preserved at the Imperial Palace Gardens in Tokyo. Some bonsai have been sold at international auctions for over 100 million yen, proving their exceptional cultural and artistic value. Bonsai has gained so much admiration that many international enthusiasts come to Japan to apprentice under master growers, a sign of how far this delicate art has traveled. Experience bonsai for yourself, a journey into quiet beauty. In recent years, more and more tourists have had the chance to experience the charm of bonsai firsthand. In Omiya Bonsai Village in Saitama, just north of Tokyo, you can explore multiple historic bonsai nurseries, watch artisans at work, and even join English-friendly workshops. In Tokyo, the well-known Seiko Eng offers hands-on bonsai classes by reservation, where you can create and take home your own tree. In Kyoto, Koju-en offers beginner-friendly lessons in a traditional setting, allowing visitors to connect with Japan's seasonal beauty and plant culture. In Fukui Prefecture, Mikuni-en holds monthly workshops ideal for first-timers. Each region features different plant species, growing techniques, and seasonal landscapes, adding a unique local flavor to your bonsai journey. Through the miniature world of bonsai, you'll experience the quiet elegance and deep nature awareness that lie at the heart of Japanese culture.
Japan.
So, what did you think? I know bonsai exists in other countries too, but have you ever actually seen one in person where you live? Let me know in the comments. I'm super curious. Alright, now it's finally time for what you've all been waiting for. Raina's top 5 favorite bonsai. Let's count down from number 5. Coming in at number 5 is a gorgeous miniature bonsai by Morten Albeck. It's a cotoneaster growing on a rock, and it's just lovely. In summer, it blooms with tiny white flowers, and in winter, it produces bright red berries. The tree is around 20 years old, and it's been trained as a bonsai for about 10 years now. Super charming and full of seasonal vibes. At number 4, we have a real masterpiece. Goshen by John Naka. This stunning creation is made up of 11 juniper trees, and it actually started with just one tree back in 1948. Now, it's on display at the U.S. National Arboretum in Washington, D.C. Naka dedicated it to his grandchildren, and the balance and spirit in this piece is just wow! Powerful and poetic at the same time. Next up, at number 3, is something truly legendary, an 800-year-old bonsai by Kunio Kobayashi. Yep, you heard that right. 800 years old. It's one of the oldest and most valuable bonsai in the world. Kobayashi-san is also one of the most famous bonsai artists on the planet and has won Japan's Prime Minister's Award 4 times. This tree isn't just beautiful. It's a living piece of history. At number 2, we have a breathtaking Fuji from Daiju-en Garden. This one's around 450 years old, and every spring in late April, it bursts into full bloom like a waterfall of flowers. The strength and life in this tree is incredible. It doesn't show its age at all. And finally, coming in at number 1 is Sandai Shogun from Daiju-en Garden. This is a majestic Japanese white pine that's believed to have been loved by Tokugawa Iemitsu, the third shogun of Japan. It's considered a true national treasure. With its strong trunk, balanced form, and powerful presence, this bonsai has a kind of timeless dignity that just stops you in your tracks. So, what do you think? Aren't they amazing? Bonsai can actually be found in many regions of Japan, and there are even places where you can try making your own. So if you're planning a trip to Japan, definitely add a bonsai experience to your list. It might become the most peaceful and unforgettable part of your journey. There's still so much to discover in Japan, and I'll keep bringing you all kinds of exciting info about this amazing country, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I post new content. Oh, and great news, I've also launched a website with articles related to this video. You can even book tours and shop for souvenirs. Check out the link in the description below. Alright, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.